Ladies and gentlemen of the Rock and Red channel, I have some news for you all. It's alive! Just got started, and I'm gonna let you all hear it. I'm gonna let you hear these dual quadrujets screaming. Now, you know the smoke? That's just header paint. Play start. Oh my god, it sounds like a NASCAR! It sounds like NASCAR ready to go wide open Dale Earnhardt style! Oh my god! Oh my god, what the hell have I created? What the hell have I done, people? I'm made a badass! I'm gonna cry! I'm gonna fucking cry! Oh my god, I haven't even gotten the timing. I just did by ear. I just like advanced the timing by ear and like just kept advancing. And finally it's like, boom! Holy shit. Holy shit. If you couldn't hear me say anything in there, that's because of how good it is. Not because of how loud and obnoxious it is. It's that good. It's that fucking good. Oh, I wish you all could have heard that. I hope the audio doesn't cut because of how loud this thing was. But that sound right there is exactly what I've been looking for ever since I got this car. I've been looking for that sound. That utter, relentless son of a bitch that just sounds evil. And I finally got it. I finally found out what that one guy was running as Impala. Because all this started with was, I was looking for a sound. I was looking for a specific sound that you'll never hear again. And the sound of the gear drive in that, plus the dual quadrujets, plus the side pipes, was the mathematical equation for badass noise. Yeah, it stinks, but that's just header paint, so. Oh well. Header paint burns. Not that well, but. But yeah, see, it's smoking again because it burned the header paint off. But it's inside the wrapping, so it doesn't matter. It'll burn off eventually. It's doing it on both sides. But this is... So, the last video I didn't post because it was very short. So what I'm going to do is give you an update. So what I did was I adjusted the choke over here. I adjusted the distributor just enough to get the timing going. And then what I did was I had a new cable put on because this one was all kinds of messed up. So I put a new cable on. This hose right here is just for the washer fluid, so that doesn't really matter. But it runs. It runs. It revs. And now I'm going to finish the timing, and then I'm going to drive it. And then I'm going to freaking drive it. This is awesome. This is just freaking awesome. So all I got to do is time it the rest of the way with a timing light. And then it's ready to go.